Hey, what's up? Alright, so I wanted to make a video about this little HDMI capture card real quick. Here, this will be easier. So here's the card. We're going to use my OBS here. I have it up on my TV. We'll go to a blank scene. So there you go. And then we're going to use this camera over here. So this is a Sony a6000 that spits out clean HDMI out the little cord, which we got the cable right here. So just typical HDMI cable. 1 second. Well, this is going to be hard to do with one hand, but so you have the HDMI input there, and just plug this guy in. It'll look like that. And then all I'm going to do is go to my computer here. We're going to plug into, and I'll do it in the USB 2 port, just in case you don't have a USB 3. And basically, we're going to plug this in here. Then what happened the first time I plugged it in is it just came up with the usual, like, we're setting up a USB device for you. But it doesn't look like it's doing that on my screen at this point, because this one's already been installed. But basically all it did was just come up in the little right-hand corner there and say, hey, we're installing USB drivers for you. I didn't have to do anything. And then I was able to go into OBS. And here, let's zoom in. And then we'll just add a source. So if you go down to video capture device, we should be able to see. Here, we'll create a new video capture device. And then it opened a giant window for me here. But if I click on a device here, you'll see I can go down to USB video. And right now, it's just showing no memory card cannot play. That's just because I don't have memory cards in here. All I have to do is hit this button once. And then there you go. So that's all I had to do to get an HDMI camera, in this case a Sony a6000. We get back up here to show up in OBS, and you can see I can wave. It's not like skipping frames like crazy. I mean, you can't tell too much from the picture just using, or from this Instagram video or anything, but it looks good. It looks pretty good for 25 bucks. So there you go. There's the video. Let me know what you think, or just trying to do this without having to edit anything, but I can't see myself in the camera without using my other camera as a mirror. Hopefully that was on my head. I have no idea. There we go. Okay. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that little video. I'll try to do some more stuff like this if I can. But until next time, thanks. And yeah, I'll put the link for the capture card in the post or in my bio or something. I don't know how Instagram works. Who knows? All right, I got to go. Bye.